Do you know how Docker layers actually work? Every time you run a command on a Docker file, Docker will create a layer containing metadata and the file system changes for that command. A Docker image is essentially a sequence of layers where each layer builds upon the previous one. This is why it's important to keep the layers as self-contained and small as possible. Particularly, make sure you remove any files or dependencies that are not needed for the runtime of your container in the same layer it was added. For example, I uninstall tools I no longer need in this layer. Bison and Flex are only needed to build Doxygen and no longer needed after that. If these tools were left in the layer or even removed in a different layer, the file diffs would still be kept by Docker, making your image bloated. For more good practices on building optimal Docker images, check out my latest video on creating perfect Docker images.